Okay, now we've added all of our ingredients except for the peanut butter and the oatmeal, and we've pulled it off the stove. So we boiled it for 1 minute. Remember, I said it's important to not boil it longer than that. And so now we're going to add our peanut butter off of the stove. We have a half a cup of peanut butter, and this is creamy peanut butter. You could use chunky if you wanted, but I prefer the creamy variety. It just has a little bit better texture to the cookie, but you're certainly welcome. You could use whatever you wanted, whatever you had around, but I just prefer the creamy type. And then we're going to put that right into the hot mixture. Put that in, and then stir it around and completely dissolve your peanut butter into the cocoa sugar mixture. And here we go.